Welcome to Jamaica.
There are days when Tower just has to slow them down. If you love multiple approaches and landing, this one is for you. Yeah, man, at Jamaica, a place. Yeah, so nice.
3779, slow to minimum.
3779.
One 1349 on time, 13. Exit on Bravo, ground 1217.
7 exit on Bravo, American 1349.
Tower, Allegiant 7006, over, you saying RMP, runway 7.
Allegiant 7006, Anchor Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Continue for runway 7, Allegiant 7006.
Following Spirit, about 4 miles.
006.
Spirit 3779, clear to land, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear to land, runway 7, Spirit Wings 3779.
699 Tower.
Delta Velo 699, we're still holding short.
Yes, just advise the delays due traffic, they're coming in close.
Velo 699, roger.
Allegiant 7006, slow to minimum.
Approach speed, Allegiant 7006.
Tower.
JetBlue 779, over, you saying? RMP 07.
So slow to minimum, that's minimum, continue approach.
The minimum, and continue to break, JetBlue 779.
Spirit 3779 on time, 16, exit high speed, ground 1217.
Spirit 3779.
Allegiant 7006, clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 19 knots.
Runway 7, Allegiant 7006.
7006, your on time is 19er. Exit on Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Bravo 121.7, Allegiant 7006. 79.
Avella 699 behind the JetBlue color Airbus 320 short final line up behind.
Propeller 699 will line up and wait after the aircraft lands, is what I got out of that. Want us to line up and wait right now?
Very firm behind the JetBlue color, the Airbus 320 on a 3-mile final. Runway 07, line up behind.
Behind the JetBlue on a 3-mile final, Avelo 699.
JetBlue 779 on time 22, take it on the high speed ground 1217.
High speed ground 217, JetBlue 779.
Let's 699 clear takeoff, 706 degrees 20 knots, and airborne 1208. Good day.
Avelo 699 clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Avella 699 airborne 24, sounds approach 1208.
Point 8 for Avelo 699.
November Alpha clear takeoff, 7 intersection, Delta wind 060 degrees 17 knots. out, Boeing 38 Max about 15 miles to the northwest. Contact approach 1208.
Top of the traffic, radar 28 on the river. Or Southwest 916 on the RMP 07 approach.
Southwest 916, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07 westbound Cessna 206, about 6 miles to the northwest at 1,000. We'll be passing you
American
by.
3148, departure runway 07.
Continue, we're looking for the traffic, Southwest 916.
3148, stand by. Southwest 916, roger, continue approach, runway 07.
Southwest 916.
Country 148, behind the landing southwest, Boeing 38 Max on a final runway 07, line up behind.
Landing traffic of Southwest, clear to line up and wait on runway 07, American 3148, after landing traffic.
Please for Southwest 916.
Clear to land wind 06 degrees, 19 knots.
Clear to land 07, Southwest 916. Pier 49, RNAV runway 7.
Pier 49 tower, continue approach, runway 07.
We shall continue for 07, Frontier 49.
West 916, you're on turn. 38, make that high speed, contact ground 1217. Country 148, clear takeoff 7106 degrees, 19 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, American 3148.
Pier 49, clear land 7 wind 06 degrees, 19 knots.
07, Frontier 49.
American 3148, airborne 40, thanks approach 1208, today.
20.8 for American 3148.
Tower, Spirit 833, supposed to be an RFP, runway 07.
Spirit 833 tower, continue approach, runway 07.
runway 07, spread 833.
Free, slow to minimum approach.
Phone, spread 833.
Mark 863, line up and wait. Runway 07.
Line up late, runway 07, American 863.
Frontier 49 on time for 2. Take it on the high speed, contact ground, on 27.
Ground Frontier flight 49.
Relay 33, keep it coming. Releasing aircraft, runway 07. Airbus 321.
Phone and final approach speed, spread 833.
Runway 63, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 06 degrees, 14 knots.
Got runway 07, American 863.
Clear to land, 7 wind 06 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear to land, runway 7, spread 833.
Mark 860, bound 44, thanks, approach 1208, good.
208, American 863, good day.
Russia 2709 behind the landing, Spirit, Airbus 321, short final, line up behind.
Behind Spirit, final lineup behind, WestJet 2709.
runway 33 on time 46 exit, high speed contact ground 1217.
217, 33, good day.
WestJet 2709, wind 060 degrees at 18 knots. Clear takeoff then.
Clear takeoff, runway 07, WestJet 2709. Tower, Air Canada 982, RMP, runway 07.
Air Canada 982 Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Air Canada 982. Good day.
2709, airborne 48, thanks, approach 1208, good day.
1208, WestJet 2709, good day.
The 982 Tower.
982?
Minimum, sir, slow to minimum.
Go to minimum, Air Canada 982. Blue 380, holding short runway 7, ready for departure.
JetBlue 380, thanks, Tower, clear takeoff 7, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots. Airbus 321 coming up on 7 miles, 8 miles.
Traffic, clear for takeoff runway 07, JetBlue 380.
Canada 982, clear to land 7, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Runway 07, Air Canada 982.
JetBlue 380, your airborne is 51, thanks, approach 1208, good day.
For approach 1208, good day, JetBlue 380. RMP, runway 7.
955 tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Approach for runway 7, Delta 1955.
It's 1 time 54, take it on high speed, ground 1217.
High speed over to ground, Air Canada 982. And south.